look what we have here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Oh, wow, check this out. 2022 Ram TRX Crew Cab 4x4, one owner, clean Carfax, actual miles, 388. Yes, that's right, 388 miles. 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi 8-speed automatic paddle shiftable transmission, 702 horsepower, 650 pound-feet of torque. Color on this, diamond black crystal pearl coat, and it is loaded up like Willie Nelson on a Saturday night. All right, let's take a look at this front. Of course, the big Ram grille, the TRX graphics, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. You can always call us, 507-386-1726. In with the still pictures, you're going to be able to see a copy of the window sticker. I'll hit on a little bit of it as we walk around this truck. There's too much to list. It would take me all afternoon to get the video done if I was doing that. But I can tell you, it has the TRX Level 2 equipment group, which is the leather trimmed bucket seats, ventilated front seats, head-up display, digital rear view mirror, 19 speaker Harman Kardon stereo, heated front and second row seats actually, and steering wheel heated, ventilated second row seats, power tailgate, release, and that's just to name a few. And you can see up and down the passenger side of this truck, it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Paint is in excellent condition. It has the 18x9 beadlock capable aluminum wheels. Big, meaty Goodyears. Soft tonneau cover in the back. It also has the dual panoramic sunroof, and as you can see a little bit earlier, those off-road style running boards. We're going to check out the interior of this truck here in just a bit, start it up, let you hear it run. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Trailer reverse steering control was another option I seen on that window sticker. And check that window sticker out at uniqueclassiccars.com when they're talking about that power tailgate release. You just push a button there, lowers down for you. Cover, spray and liner. And again, that window sticker, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're a Mopar fan, truck fan, maybe just like cars with a lot of horsepower, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Here's a prime example. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right off our showroom floor. No surprises on this one. It's what you'd expect with 388 miles, clean Carfax, one owner, well taken care of. As you can see, it also has the stitching on the interior. That would be another option on that window sticker. I can go through some of the groups it has. It has the advanced safety group, bed utility group, trailer tow group, and just that TRX level 2 equipment group. I think that is to the tune of like $10,295. So yes, amazing vehicle, amazing performance. Of course, all your modern amenities that you're going to get on a late model vehicle. Your typical power windows and locks, and tilt and cruise and power seats. As you can see, seats pretty much showing nowhere whatsoever. go ahead and fire this up. So there's your exact miles, if you can see that. All right, hopefully you can kind of see it there. It shows up. Like I said, 388. Let's fire this up. Also going to open up the panoramic roof here so you get a chance to see that. Let you have a little listen. That digital rear view mirror. There you can see the roof open. Of course, basically your infotainment, I guess, if you will. Incredible interior also. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. You can close this back up easy enough. This thing has to just be a beast. All right, let me slip up to the front. I'm going to show you the engine bay. Of course, that 6.2 liter supercharged Hemi underneath the hood. What, 707 horsepower, 650 pound-feet of torque, I believe it was. Let me pause this a second. We'll check out that engine bay, what we can see of it anyway, and then stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take this for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, underside of the hood, as you can see, it has not been driven in inclement weather, nice and clean. And again, kind of mention what you can see of that 6.2 liter, the TRX cover on there. You get a little bit better peek down here where you can see the blower sitting up top there, wide serpentine belt. All stock. 2022 Ram TRX, one owner, clean Carfax, 388 miles. Check out exactly how it's equipped with the window sticker and the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Call us 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very fun Ram TRX, affectionately known as the T-Rex. This pickup truck is, it's just made for fun. It's noisy, it's high up, it has awesome styling, and it's fast. You can hear that whine, you can hear that rumble, and it sounds great. Stereo system is amazing. Can't be much better song than that. Supercharged 6.2 power in this beast. Very comfortable. Leather bucket seats. Paddle shifting. Every feature you can imagine, honestly. Take a look at the list. I'm sure Jay mentioned a lot of the goodies. I've got the overhead sunroof, glass exposed. I love that we still have real needles on the tach and the speedometer and fuel gauge and the coolant gauge. Corners well. Just, you know how some trucks feel like a Baja truck, a little bit of tilt. it has that in all the good ways. It's ready for some off-road action. And excellent acceleration. What a fun truck. Take a look at all the pictures of this T-Rex at uniqueclassiccars.com.